In this video, I'm going to share you the best volume indicator that will make you a profitable trader. And if you follow this indicator, you will get super confirmed results because this is the very powerful indicator and this beats the all volume indicators that are available on the web. And this is very powerful. Just you need to use a slight common sense and plus using this indicator. Okay, guys, so before I jump into this video, so guys, if you're looking for my private indicator that you can see on the screen, that is called the market turning points indicator. This is a very valuable indicator. If you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, then you can contact on Telegram, you can email us. The link is provided in the description of this video below because this is very powerful. It simply provides you with the sell opportunity and the buy opportunity level, and if you pick these opportunities with the trends, then you can see very good results just by using the single indicator. So just check our Telegram channel in the description of this video below. Now let's talk about the indicator here. So I'm just going to delete the indicator and let's add it again. So you need to write SVA. Okay. You need to write SVA on TradingView, and this indicator will come, that is called simple volume analyzer by Blue Jaybird. And you can see that we have so many likes on this indicator as well. Once you click this indicator, then this will basically plot the three lines on the chart, and also the volume bars are coming. Okay, so whenever you see anything that is coming inside the three lines, like the green, blue, and the red, it means that now something can happen in the market that is big. So just imagine here we have the blue bars are coming and the red bar coming, and then you can see if we just look at here, we have the bullish break of structure. You can see this was our resistance, and the market break it, and then you can see the market went up. Okay, and now just look at this one. Okay, another bars that are coming inside it, you can see it has highlighted you that some volume is coming. Now you can simply see that simply the market has made the upper side break of structure as well, and then you can see the market is up. Okay, so use this indicator with the proper confirmation, without without blindly do not follow it. Like for example, look at this on Australian dollar USD. This is the uptrend. Okay, and here it has provided you a bars that are coming inside it. So this could be a signal that the price wants to go back into the trend, and now you can see the price is reversed. Okay, so we cannot use this indicator especially into the slow market conditions, but overall this is very good. Like for example, look at here. Okay, look at here, we got we got bars on that area, and you can see the previous trend was going down, and you can see the price is down. Okay, another pullback that you have received here, that was here, and then you can see the price is down. Okay, now the volume here indicated the volume here. Now you can see the price is going up. Okay, so this is how that you can use the slight common sense, and rest it will handle your job. Look at this one. Okay, in the uptrend you got a pullback message from the volume, and you can see the price is here. And when the price was willing to go down, then you can see at the same time you got the volume, and then the price is down. So a little common sense is definitely required, but this indicator is going to solve your solutions. Okay, so one more thing, guys, again I repeat, like if you want to book my indicator, that is the private indicator market turning points, and the other one that is called the filter trend indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. These are the very very powerful indicators. The filter trend indicator will automatically provide you what is the trend. Like on the 4 hour it's bullish. Now it's your duty to find the buy opportunities on the market turning points and simply trade those, and you will get a very good profitable moves like this. So if you want to book my private indicator, check the description, contact on Telegram, contact through email. Thank you very much for watching this video.